Problem number 48 in 10.1 asks us to find the effective rate, to calculate the effective rate for 8.45% compounded weekly. So let's start by writing our effective rate formula. I'll write R, and I'll subscript it with EFF for effective rate. This is equal to 1 plus R over M to the M, right? We just do it for 1 year, so we don't need the T here, and then minus 1. So let's put in our numbers. So we're going to get 1 plus, now this is at 8.45%, so this is going to be 0.0845. We're compounding weekly, so this is going to be over 52, raised to the 52, and then minus 1. And when I got that computation, I got 0.0881, which amounts to an 8.81%. Now in problem 52, we're asked to find the nominal rate corresponding to an effective rate. So here's what we're given. We're given that the effective rate is 3%. That's 0.03. So we're given the effective rate of 3%, and we want to find the nominal rate. So let's start by writing our formula. We'll have REFF is equal to 1 plus R over M to the M minus 1. Now let's put in the numbers that we know. This is going to be 0.03 is equal to 1 plus R. That's what we're looking for. Oh, and the problem says that it's compounded monthly, so that's M is going to be a 12, raised to the 12, and then minus 1. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to solve this for R, so we're going to add 1 to each side. So if we add 1 to each side over here on the left, we're going to get 1.03, and now this is equal to 1 plus R over 12 to the 12. And now, since we're looking for R, we have to undo this power. This is the 12th power. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the 12th root of 1.03, and that will be the 12th root of the quantity 1 plus R over 12 to the 12. And I'm going to leave this left-hand side like this until the very end, then I'll do the computations all at once. But on the right-hand side, we've got the 12th root of this to the 12th, and since all numbers are positive, we can write this as 1 plus R over 12. So over here we'll have the 12th root of 1.03, and that's equal to 1 plus R over 12. Let's subtract 1, right? We'll subtract that 1. So that'll give us the 12th root of 1.03 minus 1. This is equal to R over 12. And one more step, I think we'll have it. Let's multiply by this 12. So we will get R is equal to 12 times the 12th root of 1.03 minus 1. And when I made that computation, I'll do that right up here, I got R equaling 0.029, I'll round it off here, 6. So that's going to be 2.96%. Now, just to take this a little bit further here, if you're going to compute this on maybe a calculator like a TI-84, here's how I did it. I typed in the 12, I hit a set of parentheses, and then I put in 1.03 raised to the parentheses, 1/12, and then minus 1. Now, I've got a TI-84. Maybe my calculator will do it, but I just don't know where it is on that machine. But I do know that the 12th root of 1.03 I can write as 1.03 to the 1/12. And that's what I've done here.